What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to get free Last Island of Survival tickets and gold to upgrade your armies. Also, you will be able to build bases quickly in the game. As you can see on your screen, I have over 99,000 tickets and gold in my balance, which I got for free, by the way. This method works for both iOS and Android. Just open any browser on your device and go to gemtosa.com. It will bring you to this page. And all you simply need to do is scroll down until you find the Last Island of Survival event. Then click on it. It will bring you to this page, which is an exclusive event that has been giving Last Island of Survival users up to 100,000 free tickets and gold. And to receive it, just go to the top left section of your Last Island of Survival account, then click on your profile till we'll find your user ID. Then input it in this box, then click on the receive button below. It will then conduct a search for your account in order to bind the tickets and gold successfully. Once the binding process is complete, make sure to click on the Claim Now button. This is just a way the event confirms you are a human and not a bot, and you will receive the tickets and gold in your account instantly.